In this video, I will show you how can we find the product key for Windows 11. First, I will show you the Windows by tapping WinWord. We have Windows 11 with a version 23H2. So I will close and open the registry by tapping regedit. Here I will open H key local machine, softwares, and here I will select Microsoft. Here I will select Windows NT. Here I will select current version. Here I will select software provider. Software protection platform. You can find the product key in a backup product key default.